Shauna.
And I'm Chanel.
And this is Vegans Approve. Welcome back to our channel.
So, last episode we taste tested plant-based milks. So, this episode we're going to show you how to make your own plant-based milks.
So, Chanel will be helping me to make hemp milk, walnut milk, and almond milk. And at the end, she'll taste test all three and give y'all her honest opinion.
I will.
So we're going to start with the hemp seeds. Our measurements for today is 2 cups of the seeds or nuts to 4 cups of spring water. We're going to use the same measurements right through for all the milks today. So it's 2 cups of hemp, 4 cups of spring water, and to that we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of agave. And blend. The hemp is soft, so it doesn't take that long to blend. So we're just going to blend until it looks smooth. I've started to strain the milk in a strainer, but I'm going to switch to my nut milk bag. This makes it easier to squeeze the milk out, and you won't get any pulp. So the milk comes out really smooth. And now I'm going to pour and fill my milk container. I'm using glass bottles because that's best to keep it in, makes it last longer. Now we're going to do the walnuts. The walnuts have been soaking for 4 hours. You pour off the water that it was soaking and never reuse the same water. So it's the 2 cups of walnuts, 4 cups of spring water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and the 1/4 cup of agave. I'm doing it in 2 batches just because of the space in the blender. So we blend and then strain. I'm going to use a regular wire strainer to get off the excess pulp first. So when I put it in the nut milk bag, it's easier to squeeze out. So here I am putting it in the nut milk bag and then squeezing. The nut milk bags can be found on Amazon. They have a lot of different types and options. But this, I think, is the best option to strain your milk. Here we have our walnut milk. Nice and white and creamy. Now for the almonds. The almonds have been soaking for about 8 hours. Recommended 8 to 12 hours for the almonds because they're a little harder than the walnuts. You could strip the outer shell off of it if you want. It gives a whiter and creamier milk, but today I'm going to use it as is. So remember, drain the water. You can rinse it and then start your blending process. So it's 2 cups of almonds, 4 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of agave. I'm just having it right now because I'm doing it in a set of 2 batches. And blend. Make sure the almond blends a little longer because it is harder than the other nuts. So blend until it's nice and smooth. Then we strain. As you can see, the pulp from the almonds These can be reused in a lot of different ways. So you don't have to discard, just save it and use it in different recipes. So back in the milk bag. And squeeze. We're milking the almonds. And pour. So now you have your smooth, creamy almond milk. These can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
So we successfully made 3 plant-based milk at home.
Successfully? Not until I try it.
Okay, let's try it then. So the first one we're going to try is the hemp milk. Here you go.
It's very creamy. The consistency is like very good. There's no like, it's very smooth. It's very smooth milk. You did a very good job. I don't really like the taste of hemp, but other than that, it's a good milk.
Okay.
What do you think?
I like it. It's very creamy. Very creamy. It has like the specks from the hemp in it, but you're not tasting any grains or anything.
Yeah,
so
it's very smooth.
that's good. The milk bag really did a good job to get all the pulp out.
Mm-hmm.
So next we're gonna try the almond milk. Cheers.
It's good milk.
It's very good.
It's sweet, but it's like a good sweetness. It's not too sweet.
It's perfect, I think. But then again, I made it, so.
No, it's good. I like it. It's really good.
And then we have the walnut milk.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Same thing with like the hemp. I don't like walnuts that much, but it's a really good milk. Like, you did a really good job at straining it and blending it. It's very creamy and smooth.
And tasty. I like all of them. I think I could stop buying milk in the store and just make my own milk all the time. No, these are really good.
Yeah, they're good, yeah.
The sweetness is there, but it's not overpowering.
Mm-hmm.
It's not fresh.
It's a good milk.
Yeah, they're all good milk. Great milks.
Great milks.
So, we successfully made 3 milks. We did.
You did. Good job.
You helped. So
I passed stuff.
Huh?
I passed stuff.
So it's successful.
Success. Alright.
Guys, with the plant-based milks, when you make it at home, because it doesn't have like the carrageenan or the preservatives, they will separate. All you have to do is just shake it up. It will last in the fridge for like up to 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
So try it and let us know.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on your post notifications.
Bye.
Bye.
Make your food your medicine, not your medicine your food. A little song you could learn from vegans approved. You a vegan or you looking for some options that's new. Don't worry, cause I got you, this the right channel for you. Cause it's vegans approved, yeah, it's vegans approved. You want something to eat, but you don't know what to choose. Go to Vegans Approved, search up Vegans Approved. Head over to the channel, cause I got some good news. Check out Vegans Approved, look up Vegans Approved. You need some advice, they could tell you what to do. Let the Vegans Approve, both the Vegans Approved. They got some healthy tips that you might wanna use.